You're gonna get your leg stuck.
Oh.
Oh, good job with the peas.
What are those called?
Meatballs. Can I have a fork?
They're called what? Meatballs, right?
I don't want any cheese.
Okay.
Meatballs. I saw you looking at me.
I like to watch you eat your meatballs.
Meatballs.
Your meter balls.
No, they are meatballs.
What?
Meatballs.
Yeah, tell Nanny what they are.
Meatballs.
What? Where did you hear that?
I love you.
On Wubsy? Oh. Now don't
Wubsy
slip off. You know
is
what?
very educational.
Sit back. That's it.
Hey, you just hurt me.
I'm sorry, but I don't want you falling off the chair. What time? When is it going to be 8 o'clock?
Knucklehead Owen.
Knucklehead Brad.
Knucklehead Owen.
Knucklehead Brad.
Rascal Owen.
Rascal Brad.
Maybe you'll be in a better mood now.